Fani Nagarjuna, CEO of ICOM. Redwood అన్నది ఒక పెద్ద కంపెనీ. It's a US based company out of Virginia and they are into automation. మన AI అని అంటున్నాము. AI automation is their main business. Orchestration. అటువంటి సంస్థ to come into Hyderabad out of all cities in India to choose Hyderabad is an example for మన state of Telangana అయినా కానీ లేకపోతే హైదరాబాద్ సిటీ అయినా కానీ that shows like why we are the right destination for companies like Redwood. So there are a number of software companies in the world, we all know that, but where the current change is happening is AI is transforming how software is not only getting built, how software is also being managed and how software is deployed. This is where Redwood provides the right kind of automation technology to make sure మనం deploy చేస్తున్న software is efficiently governed, efficiently managed and safely deployed, which is what very important for the future of where the industry is headed. And Redwood and Samstha now to come into Hyderabad and set up their largest office in the world. This is going to be their largest office in the world. To make it happen is very, it's an achievement for the state of Telangana, for Hyderabad as well. Redwood, Nadi, it's basically a representation of redwood trees, which is one of the oldest and tallest trees in the world, which in California it's very common, those trees to be found, and which is what they've named after their company. The AI Nadi Andi, it will not, in my opinion, will human talent. Of course, there will be some displacement. However, it will create new kind of jobs. మీరు రెడ్వుడే తీసుకోండి. ద ఫ్యాక్ట్ దట్ దే హ్యావ్ గోల్స్ ఆఫ్ హైరింగ్ 300 పీపుల్ బై నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్, ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్, దట్ షోస్ ఏఐని ఎలా వాడుకోవాలి మనం, హౌ డు వీ డిప్లాయ్ ఏఐ అండ్ మేక్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏఐ రియలైజ్డ్ బై ద ఎంటైర్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. దానికి యూ నీడ్ అగైన్ హ్యూమన్ టాలెంట్. So the kind of jobs that people need to be trained for is how to use AI to deliver results. And that is where I think opportunities like Redwood are providing.
Hi, I am Paul Raj. I am the India head for Redwood Software in Hyderabad. I wanted to thank everyone for being here. It's a very important occasion as we start a new chapter in Redwood India, Redwood in Hyderabad. Today, I am really pleased to tell you that we are here because of the outstanding talent, infrastructure, and the culture that we find here. We are here to build an AI-first software products company. We really do believe that AI is going to have the impact of being able to generate exceptional competence, capacity, and employment opportunities in the greater Hyderabad area. We look forward to working with the government agencies, the T-hubs and all the ecosystem here as we set our foot forward in creating sound and profound impact within the company and for our customers. Thank you. If you allow me to draw an analogy, you can think of your life or a company's life as a list of tasks. You take your phone, you want to send a message, you want to send an email, you want to do various tasks. A company similarly has to deal with sales, company has to deal with manufacturing logistics, a company has to deal with financial books, etc. Now, how is that all going to come together to solve the company's problem? If the CFO wants to file a quarterly report on compliance, none of these individual pillars deliver what the C-suite needs. And Redwood Software is a market leader for 2 years in a row in this space, which is technically called service orchestration automation platform. So we are able to take heterogeneous platforms that a multinational modern digital enterprise has and bring those heterogeneous teams together to implement end-to-end jobs that the C-suite or the company needs to run to be efficient. And thus, it produces a massive opportunity for us because we know how to talk to the ecosystem. And if you are able to bring the agentic AI on the top of that, we are able to really bring an inflection point on how the enterprises can really automate their end-to-end services.